Hello everyone, in front of me is OPPO A77 5G and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First of all, you need to open the settings, then go to password and security and click on fingerprint. Tap on continue then, and now pick the backup to your fingerprint. It can be password, pattern or alphanumeric password. So let me pick pattern. Now draw it, re-enter it just to confirm. And that's it. Now you need to enroll your fingerprint. The sensor is located over here, so it's on your power button. And now just keep tapping until your fingerprint is fully added. Lift your finger up, then place it on the sensor again, and you'll be informed once it's finished. And that's it. Now click on done, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.